Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Feeling a little financially overwhelmed lately? Like your money is doing the Macarena out of your wallet. Don't worry, you're not alone. But fret no more, because today we're going to transform you from a budgeting newbie to a budget boss. Step number 1. Know your dough, track your income. First things first, we gotta figure out how much moolah you're actually bringing in. Salary, side hustles, the whole shebang. Write it down, track it on an app, and channel your inner detective. This is your financial foundation, the bedrock upon which we build our budgeting empire. Step number 2. Where does it go? Track your expenses. Now let's get real. Where is all that hard-earned cash disappearing to? Coffee runs? Impulse shopping sprees? Be honest, no judgment here. We're all guilty of a little retail therapy sometimes. But to truly be a budget boss, you gotta track every penny. Every single penny. Step number 3. Categorize and conquer. Once you've tracked your expenses for a month, or 2 if you're feeling ambitious, it's time to organize the chaos. Categorize your spending: rent, groceries, entertainment, that gym membership you never use. Oops! This way, you can see exactly where your money is flowing. Step number 4. Budget battle royale. Set spending limits. Now comes the epic showdown, you versus your spending habits. Based on your income and expenses, set realistic limits for each category. Think of it like a game. Can you stay under budget each month? Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about taking control and making your money work for you. Step number 5. Be a budget badass. Review and adjust. Being a budget boss isn't a one-time thing, it's a lifestyle. Regularly review your budget, see what's working and what's not. Maybe you can cut back on those daily lattes, or find cheaper alternatives for groceries. Every little bit counts. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to becoming a budget boss. Remember, it's all about taking control of your finances and building a future you're proud of. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment below with your best budgeting tips. Subscribe for more financial fabulosity. Until next time, stay savvy, stay strong, and stay a budget boss.